Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And welcome to another video of best out of waste, in which today I am going to use empty tea boxes, old newspapers, twine or shoelace, satin ribbon, stationery stuff. Let's begin. Today's craft is really easy and simple. I took an empty tea box, as you can see in the video. I took an empty tea box, I covered it with newspaper and then made holes on the opposite directions on the outer part, like on the top of the box. And then I had this thread, like a nylon thread, which I used to do my macrame work. So I had a leftover thread, so I used this nylon thread tied to the respective holes on the opposite directions, such that it makes the box a purse. And that's it. Today's art and craft, like basically today's best out of waste craft, is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.